Hello there. My name is Jadel Glucki, and I'm the development manager at Horizons International, where we sell our Quality Essential Suite products, which we call QES for short. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the item entry form, as well as how to manually add serial lot numbers to an item. We have two different types of product when you purchase Quality Essential Suite. The first one is what we call standalone, and the second is linked to an ERP system, such as Microsoft Great Plains, Exapta, Navision, and any of the other ERP systems out there. So if you're hooked up to an ERP version, what will happen is that every time you open up Quality, it will go out to the ERP version or out to the ERP software, and it'll look for new items. It'll look for new vendors, purchase orders, sales orders, anything in this operational data tab. So items, work orders, vendors, operations, customers, item receipts entry, and sales order entry. Now, if you have the standalone product, that connection doesn't exist. So what that allows you to do is you get to create your own items, your own work orders, your own customers, any sales orders if you want to go to that detail. In the standalone product, you get to create those things yourself. Now, there's also a hybrid approach where an ERP user could actually connect items in their ERP system, but they can also create items that don't exist in the ERP system. Or they could create a sales order that doesn't exist in the ERP system. It actually gives the users more functionality, as well as if you have a testing system, you can create an item without having to link up to your ERP system. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open up the items form. And on the items form, we have the grid that shows you all of your different items. The grid can be filtered. So if this top line where the ABC is, you can filter your items. So if you go for, A, so this shows me any item that has, contains the item number of 4A. If I do, let's search for something way down here. So PF blend. So if I'm up here and I just simply type PF blend, right? And then you can click on it and then open this up. Okay. Now, then you have attached serial lot numbers. So this PF blend currently has two lot numbers, 400B and 400A. You can create specifications. Okay, right now this item is not attached to any inspections, so therefore there are no specifications listed. There are user-defined fields that are set up in the system, the setup form. You can add user-defined fields to your items. There are vendors, so these are all the different vendors that supply this particular item. And lastly, customers. So if you want to attach a particular item to a customer, you can do that. The purpose of attaching an item to a customer is that in certain drop downs, you can check off a box to say show customer items only. And it will filter item lists for that particular customer. So let's go and just create a new item. So this obviously is not linked to an ERP system, but if it was, the functionality is exactly the same. So I'm going to create, test, and I'm going to say lot tracked item. And this. Okay, so the item tracking type is going to be lot. Okay, so now I'm going to click save. And by doing that, it allows me to attach serial or lot numbers to this particular item. So what we do is it's a two-step process. in order to allow our standalone customers to create large number of incrementing lot numbers, we added this serial lot create process here. So the quantity to create is, this is how many different lot numbers to create. So if I say, 5, and then the starting number is lot, 0, 1, 2. Now, the way that this process works is, if I was to click process right now, this would create 5 different lines, and it would increment this n number. So lot 0, 1, 2. So it would be 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 4, and et cetera, et cetera. So let's actually, let's quantity create is, let's say 3. So, and then you process. So what this has done is it's created 5 lots, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, with a quantity of 3 with no expiry or date received. Okay. This serial lot already exists as a check to see if that particular serial lot number already exists in the system attached to this new test item. If it exists, when you say add to item, it's not going to let you. So what I want to show you as well is the starting numbers. So if I say lot 1, 2, 3, and if I put a character, so, G, what's going to happen is this process, it puts the lot numbers, or the actual quantities, at the end of the lot number. So if I hit process, so you'll notice it says lot 1, 2, 3, G0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's because it goes to the very end and it increments the number sequentially. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I said, lot 1, 2, 3, G5, no, actually, yeah, let's go G7. Okay, if I hit process, it's, lot 1, 2, 3, G7, and I'm going to create 10 of them. Okay, process. So what this does is, because there's 2 digits, once it gets to 10, it then adds the 0, 7, 0, 8, and 0, 9 so that they sort properly. Okay, so once you have the lot numbers that you want to create, you say add to item. And what that does is it connects the item with those lot numbers. And now they're ready to be tested. You'll have to add them to an inspection, and you'll have to add tests to that inspection, but these lots are available now to be used on the all-in-one results entry window. So that's pretty much how the item entry form works. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.